Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix camera block screen error on your Windows. So if you are using your camera and you cannot access to it fully because what it just looks like is a black screen. So let's go quick into the process on how we can fix that. First is you need to click on the start button and go to settings. In the list of options on the left pane, you have to go with privacy and security, the one with the shield symbol. Simply scroll down and you'll find app permissions. Then you'll find camera, click on that. Make sure camera access is enabled. If this is switched off on your case, just simply switch the button on. Also, for let apps access your camera, make sure that all of these buttons are on right here, especially for those applications that needs to access your camera. Once done, close this window. Then search for camera in the Windows search bar. On the right pane, click on App Settings. Then here for the app permissions, make sure that all of this are switched on, background app permissions. If you choose never, then simply change that to always or power optimized. And then scroll down and you'll find repair button. Click on that. Now after you clicked on repair button, try to see if the problem has been fixed. But if the issue is still there, go back to the same camera app settings and click on reset button and then reset once again. Now, once you have reset the application, I can suggest that you need to make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and then make a restart of your Windows. For the final method is we are going to go ahead in the device manager. So search for device manager in the Windows search bar. Click on it under the best match. Now here in the device manager window, you need to look for your cameras. Click on this arrow and then make a right click on your camera, select update driver, search automatically for drivers. Now the best drivers for your device are already installed. You can also go with this search for updated drivers on Windows Update. Then it will also update your Windows. So once this is done, just simply go back to the device manager window. Now, after you have updated it through the Windows Update, make a right click at the Start button, shut down or sign out, and then make a restart of your Windows. Now, if that works, then good, but if not, go back to the same Device Manager window. Look at your cameras, make a right click, select Update Driver. This time, choose Browse My Computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. And then choose the options. So if you have more options right here, just simply choose as to what will work for you. You can try on that one by one as to what will work for you. And if in case you can find what will work for you, just simply click on next. Now Windows has successfully updated your drivers. Click on close. Now close this window. And then again, make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and then make a restart of your Windows. So if any of the solutions helped you in fixing camera block screen issue, kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.